welcome to my YouTube channel. This video is going to discuss the scope of my channel, and as you can see by the title, the scope is artificial intelligence, but that can be pretty broad. So I'm going to be focusing on machine learning. I may get into controllers and specialized algorithms, but that is unlikely. Now within machine learning, I'm going to be focusing on neural networks, but I may also get into evolution algorithms and genetic algorithms, because those can be used in combination with neural networks for hyperparameter tuning and stuff like that. Now, neural networks can be subcategorized as three different things: supervised, unsupervised, and reinforced. I'll be focusing on supervised and reinforced, but I may also get into unsupervised. Now, I'll be using Windows 10 throughout my videos. I may use Ubuntu, and I will try to get my utilities and packages to work with Ubuntu and other Linux operating systems, but they are mainly focused for Windows and Windows 10. So the language I'll be using is Python. I may use C++ and some Java, but that's not going to be the case for everything. Mainly because Python offers these awesome APIs. We get access to NumPy, TensorFlow, PyTorch, and Keras. So that is pretty cool. Those APIs let us do neural networks and other AI stuff very easily and very efficiently. So that is the end of this video. Future videos will probably go over my utilities package, and might even get into some projects.